Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we're going to look at CSS icons. Okay, so basically I'm sure you've seen websites where you saw icon of a car or something. Now, to use icon in CSS or in your web page, basically there is a service for that, and it's known as Font Awesome. Okay, so fontawesome.com. All right, so Font Awesome, right? When you open the Font Awesome at the time of this recording, this is the screen you see. Over time they're going to change it, but if I click on start for free, at this point I'm required to enter my email, okay, my email address. And the reason why I'm entering my email address is so that they can send me, or so that I can have access to their script, okay, or the embed code for Font Awesome. Okay, so basically what you need to do is just put in your email address and click on send kit. They will send you an email and you're going to verify your email, and then you see a line of code that you can put in your head tag on your HTML page. So I went through all of that, and this is where I was brought. Okay, so I'm going to expand this a little. So I was able to log in, and this is the script that needs to be in my head for me to use the head of my web page, for me to use Font Awesome. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on copy kit code. Okay, and it's copied. I'm going to minimize this a little. I'm going to size this down a little, and I'll come within the head tag for my page. Okay, my head tag is looking very I'm just going to remove this to make things up a little so you can see the whole page. And my external CSS, well, I can remove my external CSS for now also. Okay, so this is the Google font I worked with. Okay, I may as well remove the Google font. You can have it in, you can watch it on the other lecture. Okay, so my head tag, title. Okay, since this is just for tutorial purposes, I may as well remove the meta tag. Okay, so we have a much smaller page. All right, so I'll give some space, and I'm going to write a comment and say Font Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to paste in the script tag for Font Awesome. Now, having done that, what you need to do now is go back to Font Awesome, okay, and click on icons. So if you have your browser widened like this, basically you're just going to see the icon menu. So just click on icon, and of course it will show you a variety of icons. But what you want to do now is, there are free icons and there are paid icons here. But if you click on this free on the left tab bar, it would reshuffle and show you only the free icons. So these are the icons we can use, hundreds of icons we can use on our website for free. All right, so basically what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to choose an icon. So I'm just going to say I'm choosing this one, so accessible icon. I'll click on it and it opens up. All right, now to embed this icon on our web page, all I got to do is I just got to click on this icon class here. So I'm clicking on it, and I'll go to my page, and I'm just going to go below the first section and I will add a div. Okay, so remember we like putting all of our elements within a div. So I'll put this in, and then I'll click on Ctrl S. Now let's reload our page and see. Okay, boom, so we have an icon right here. Okay, so this is typically an example where you have an icon, you have a heading and some text under, like describing a section within a web page. This is how you can embed an icon on your website. Okay, now this icon, we can also style this icon. Okay, now to style this icon, basically what you need to do is you need to add like a class to this div. Okay, so I'm just going to add a class to my div. I'll say class, and I'll say, let's just say icon1. Okay, or let's just say icon really. So I'll save, and I'll come to my styles area on my header, and then I'll say, remember to select our class, we need to add a dot, and then we'll say icon 1. So basically we're trying to select this class here. Okay, and then let's say font size hyphen size, and I'm going to say font size of 40 pixels. Okay, and then I'll save and show you the result. Okay, icon 1, so this should be icon. So I'm just going to save. I made a mistake here. I typed in icon 1 instead of just icon. So I'm going to refresh the page, and boom, our icon is bigger. Now let's change the color. Let's say color, and what should we use? Red, blue. Okay, let's just use blue violet, and save. I'll refresh the page and see our icon has changed. So like so, you can add any number of free icons from Font Awesome. I'm just going to go back and let's just add another icon just to see how it displays. So I'm just going to add, okay, an ambulance, for example. Okay, so this is the code for the ambulance. I'm just going to copy it and let me paste it within this same div. So I'll say Ctrl V and I'll save. Let's refresh the page, and we have an ambulance just beside it. Okay, so basically that's how you incorporate icons into your web page. When we build our projects, after this section we're going to build projects. We're going to incorporate all of these lectures that we are having at this point. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in another lecture.